Blackview is globally known for its rough and tough rugged smartphones. The company offers high durable smartphones at a affordable price. Similarly, Blackview BV6300 Pro is quite popular these days due to its exceptional specifications and high build quality. It was announced at Mobile World Congress 2020 with the rugged camera combining military-grade toughness. Besides the drops, water is the second most common cause of damaging smartphones. However, that might change considerably thanks to the new generation of waterproof phone with ultimate protection, IP68, IP69K and mil STD 810G rating. The phone's design, structure and material are very critical to waterproof, and also the waterproof test is very important. Blackview has done several waterproof tests on BV6300 Pro, like vertical drop water, splash, spray water, soaking water. This time, let's see how the BV6300 Pro survives when you are swimming or diving in the pool. And this video also shows you can take photos and make a video record in the water. The smartphone was finally made available in May 2020 along with the massive online sale offer. Around 200k units of BV6300 Pro are globally shipped in the first 3 months of launch. Blackview BV6300 Pro is a step ahead than Blackview BV600, which sends the certifications like IP68, IP69K. The new device is fully dust, drop and waterproof, which can withstand vibration and extreme temperatures. In the video you can check the durability of both of the smartphones. As we can see in the video, Blackview BV6300 Pro easily resists from the usual falls without bearing a scratch. The smartphone is built using premium material including rubber, which makes it an extremely durable smartphone. It can be a perfect companion for outdoor adventures and can be used by construction workers. This phone also houses SOS functionality for easy help if you are in a danger. Even without the signal, the smartphone can send information to emergency center. This Blackview phone can be a favorite choice among construction workers and adventure loving people. It is even regarded as the most portable outdoor camera smartphone. The official sales links will be below the video. Feel free to click on it and reward yourself with a new super cool smartphone. That's all for today. See you soon with the next video. Bye.